Hello South Africa. Infant among 6 killed in horrific gas tanker and bakkie collision. 6 people have been confirmed dead following a head-on collision between a gas tanker and a bakkie on a stretch of road commonly known as Manyathela curve between Sasol Garage and the Baobab Toll Plaza on the N1.29 North in Vhembe District. The horrific collision happened on Monday, December 26, 2022. According to the Limpopo Department of Transport and Community Safety, the 6 who died include a 35-year-old driver, 4 passengers aged between 8 and an infant. Law enforcement officers cited speeding as a possible cause of the crash. However, the tanker driver told the SABC that he suspects that the bakkie driver was asleep as he saw him veer off his lane and come directly at the tanker. The scene of the accident. Image: Limpopo Department of Transport and Community Safety. MEC for Transport and Community Safety, Florence Radzilani has sent condolences to the families of the deceased. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.